Once you've laid out your course according to your course outline or however you want to do it, as I've done here with my demo course, the next thing that you want to do is to actually add learning content to your course. And the simplest way to do this is to add resources. And resources are basically static content that can be accessed just by the students clicking upon it, and whatever the content is will appear on the screen. These are not interactive, whereby the student does something and receives feedback from the system. It's just like a PDF file or a picture or whatever else that you want to use for the learning content. And remember that we always first turn editing on before we do anything in terms of editing the course. And we saw in a previous video that the easiest way to add these resources, if they are files, is just by dragging and dropping, as we did with this course outline here and with the image of the map here. But sometimes you actually will want to create some custom learning content right in the system. And when you want to do that, you can actually create an HTML page. And that's after dragging and dropping a file, that's probably the easiest way to add content directly to your course. So in order to do that, again, you'd click on Add an Activity or Resource, scroll down to the bottom to the Resource section, and you see that there are a variety of different types of things that you can add. And this one will allow you to add a page. And when we click on that, you can put your title in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a page that gives me my objectives. So instead of showing them in the course description, I can have a separate file or a separate page that pops up with those objectives, maybe giving the course a little cleaner look. So I put the title of the page in. You can put a description in if you want. I think that the objectives are pretty self-explanatory, so I don't bother. And then this is the actual content of the page in the next text window. So I'm going to headline the objective saying something like unsuccessful completion of the topic. Students will be able to, and I'm not going to actually list objectives. I'm going to say objective 1, objective 2, objective 3. Okay, something simple like that. And then I'm just going to, first of all, save and display this so you can see what it looks like. This is what the page is going to look like when the student clicks on it. And then when I go back to the course, you'll see that now that topic 1 objectives appears as a resource down here that can be easily clicked and appears in the screen. Note that because this is HTML, you can do a lot of different things with this. So if I go into this, and I'm going to edit it this time, I'm not going to retype it, edit settings, you can do things like, let me add an image to that. And I'm going to upload a file. Oh, choose a file. And I'll just choose one that's there on my desktop already. Open that up. And upload this file. This is a limestone feature. And save image. And now you'll see that that file appears in the page. Okay, I'm gonna actually change the alignment of this thing. Put this at the top. So that now I'll have the text. I'm going to put this picture to the right. Yeah, that's what I want. And then I'm going to save and display it, and you'll see, oh, I must have put the picture in twice, but you'll see the picture appearing on the page. I'm going to get rid of that because that's neither of those are how I want the picture to appear. So I'll just go in and delete that picture. And get back to my original objectives. But you can add a variety of things. You can even add some video to it. If I click here, I'll go over to YouTube, add a video. Let me get the URL for that. YouTube tutorial, insert media. And when I save this, you should see the video appearing ready to go in the middle of the page. So that's how you can add pages to your course. Very simple. You can add some rich content to it. And I'll just quickly preview the steps. So back in my course, first thing always to do is turn editing on. It's on here. Go to the topic or unit or week that you want to add your activity to. Add an activity or resource. Click on page, add, and you can go in, type your page title, and then type in the page content. That's really all there is to it. I hope this helps, and until next time.